Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust the bass drum beater angle. This will be a drumming tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have my double bass drum, and these are the beaters of the double bass drum pedals. Okay, I should have said double bass drum pedals. It's not a double bass drum, it's a double bass drum pedal setup. These are the beaters, and you can adjust the angle of the beaters. Sorry about that. As you can see right here, the beaters are on slightly different angles just because I was literally just sort of loosening the one that I was going to use for the demonstration up to make sure that it sort of works fine for the adjustment. So it's actually really easy to do. Before I put the camera down, I'll show you what you have to do. Pick whatever beater it is that you're going to adjust, and you're going to look for a sort of like a little bolt on the top or over here. So sometimes they're on the top, and then sometimes they can be over here, like on the front of it. It all depends. But essentially, you're going to look for something like this, and you use a drum key to loosen and tighten that. Okay? And it's very simple. You're going to loosen it, you're going to adjust the beater angle, and the floorboard will adjust with the beater angle, and then you're going to tighten it up. I'm going to place my camera down. Just give me a moment to adjust the angle so you can see what I want you to see. There we go, right there. Perfect. As you can see right here, I'm going to use my drum key to loosen this up over here. Once I give it a couple turns, you can see I can now adjust the angle, and the floorboard angle is adjusting with it. So let's say I wanted to bring it back. I could bring it over here, and I could tighten the drum key up, the bolt up like that, and now it is adjusted. That's it. Very simple. And once again, I can loosen it up, and then I can adjust it. You know, I'm going to put it back to relatively where I had it before. A very similar location. I can fine tune it later after the video. But then I'm going to tighten that up. Make sure it's nice and tight because you don't want this coming loose when you're playing, right? So make sure it's nice and tight just like that. And good to go. That's it. It's literally that simple. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.